Today, I'm giving you an overview of affiliate marketing. You will learn what affiliate marketing is all about, how to earn from affiliate marketing, the kind of products you can affiliate for, and how to find websites to sign up for affiliate program and how to sell affiliate products. So you're welcome to my channel. Just smash the like button and the subscribe button for more videos on affiliate marketing and how to make money online using your smartphone. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to start making passive income online. So first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is all about. It is about product recommendation, sales, and commission. Let's assume company A sells a digital product or digital course and requires the help of a marketer to sell more of their product. So when you offer to sell, you become a middleman between the company and the buyer. So, affiliate marketing is about recommending a specific product to buyers, that is, those who are in need of the product, then you get paid some percentage as commission. So, just to be clear, in affiliate marketing, you are not selling your product, but you are recommending products to your audience, and you get paid a commission when you make sales. So now, how can you earn from affiliate marketing? So it's a win-win on both sides. You make money as much as the company makes money. So you come in as an affiliate because there's no way a company can reach all the people in the world. So using affiliate marketers to reach more people makes them earn more money. So instead of paying for adverts on social media platforms or mass media, they pay affiliate marketers um commissions. So you earn commission on each product you sell. If you are promoting the product, you should know the set percentage of commission attached to each product. It could be 25%, it could be 30%, 50%, or 60. It depends on the company and the product that you are promoting. So, what kind of products can you affiliate for? You can affiliate for either physical products or digital products. So, physical products are handy products like clothes, shoes, home appliances, electronics, and etc. And they will be delivered to buyers in their respective homes and preferred location. Also, digital products are available on digital platforms. They are ebooks, digital courses, digital template, designs, and lots more. So they may be downloadables or products used digitally. So another category of affiliate products you can affiliate for is services. It could be a one-time purchase, a monthly or yearly one. So when you recommend a service to those in need, you get paid for recommendation. It could be a software that needs a monthly or yearly subscription. So this creates recurring monthly or yearly revenue for you, unlike a one-time purchase. So one interesting thing about affiliate marketing is that you become an affiliate for as many companies as you desire, unlike working in an office where you only get to work 8 to 5 in a place. Okay, so it is different from working your daily job whereby you just stick to one particular company and you cannot do any other thing. So with affiliate marketing, you can become an affiliate marketer for as many companies as possible, just like you desire. All right, so let's talk about affiliate marketing commission types. There are different commission types in affiliate marketing. First, I want to talk about the percentage base. So let's say you recommend an ebook to someone and you get paid a particular percentage depending on the percentage attached to the ebook. So let's say it's 25%, you get paid once because it's a one-time purchase. If it's a service or software that need monthly or yearly subscription and offers a recurring commission to affiliate, then you will get paid the agreed commission every time your client renew or subscribe to the service. So another affiliate marketing commission type is cost per lead. You get paid by how many leads that you get for them. There is cost per action. You get paid by the amount of actions taken. All right. So there's also cost per sale. You get paid by how many sales that you make. There's revenue share, which is rev share. You share revenue with them and lots more. So, okay, now that you know what affiliate marketing is all about, let's talk about how to find websites to sign up for affiliate programs. Before you sign up for an affiliate program, it's important that you make some research about the company and the affiliate program they offer. So get to know how they pay and operate, and most importantly, beware of scams and make your thorough research and avoid time wasting affiliate programs. You wouldn't like to be deceived, you wouldn't like to fall victim of scam. So that's why it's very important that you make research, check reviews of the affiliate platform you really want to join, and be sure that they are real, know how they pay, and so much more. Just make your research before you start any affiliate marketing. So now let's talk about how to sell affiliate products. First, you need to think about product that you can genuinely recommend and products people can easily trust you with. All right. So you don't just jump on products and start promoting. If you have an already existing audience on health niche, for instance, it's wise that you promote products in that health niche rather than promoting products under the finance niche like make money or something like that. So this will help you to convert sales easily because you'll be promoting the right thing and to the right audience. So you want to make genuine and sincere recommendations to your audience. So you need to think about affiliate products you can genuinely promote. Don't forget that marketing is much more about trust, all right? So people buy from those they can really trust. So can your audience trust your recommendation? Let's say, for instance, you already have an existing social media page that talks about how to make money online. So it will be easier for you to promote any affiliate course or any affiliate product that has to do with making money online, and it will be very hard for you to promote a health product in a page that talks about finance. All right, so that's what I'm trying to say. Your audience are already built trust in you in the aspect of finance, in the aspect of making money online. So bringing in a health product to them will be so strange. So think about your audience first, because everything you're doing is about them. What you're selling is for them. You won't be the ones to use it. So it's important that you think about your audience first. What can help them? What can solve their problem? And lots more. When it comes to selling, it has to do with providing solutions to an existing problem. So there should be some kind of problems that your audience already have. So your product should be a solution provider to their problem. Start promoting and generating traffic with your unique affiliate link. You may be wondering, like, can you still become an affiliate marketer even if you don't have an already existing audience base? Of course, yes, you can. You can start building your audience from scratch. You can start from your contact list. You can start to make videos. You can start to run adverts. You can start to keep building your audience base just by creating a social media page where you can promote your affiliate link, where you can build trust, build a great audience of people that will really trust you and will be ready to buy whatever thing that you promote to them. So you can make use of social media to do that. So if you're worried on the affiliate platform to join and start making money online in Nigeria and other African countries, you can join DigitStem and start making money online. So DigitStem is available for other Africa countries to participate, and you earn in dollars. So check out this next video to know more about DigiStem affiliates and how to get started. You can check the link in the description below to register on DigiStem and start earning money in the comfort of your home. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on affiliate marketing and how to earn money online. Thanks for watching. Bye.